Now, politics in Odisha is filled with violence and terrorism. The political parties of Odisha are intolerant. Are intolerant. They have no any particular ideology. The opposite parties of Odisha have no particular ideology, constructive ideology. Their only ideology is how to occupy the chair of CM in Odisha. The political parties like Congress and BJD, they are doing everything maliciously. They are intolerant of BJP government in Odisha. The new government has come to Odisha for 9 months. They have to face so many challenges. But the opposition parties are always adopting unfair means, adopting the way of violence. Before some days, on 27 March 2025, Congress party on the return of Bhaktacharan Das showed their agitation through demonstration backed by BJD party. These two parties have no political agenda. Their agenda is only to oppose BJP government. Likewise, at center, Congress party is always standing against the central government. This party is adopting the policy of divide and rule. They are against India and against the Hindus, this Congress party at national level. Likewise, the Congress party in Odisha also adopt the same policy. These two parties, BJD and Congress, are against the Hindus and against the development of Odisha. They demonstrated and adopted the way of violence. They attacked police personnel. It is not the right way of demonstration. People have known about the misdeeds of these two parties. During the rule of BJD, the state has reached the highest level of corruption and violence. Rapists, murderers, and other anti-socials remained under the arm shade of the head of the party, the head of the government in Odisha. But there is none like Congress to raise their voice against this. But now, being promoted by BJD, they are doing unsocial activities. This will not give them any mileage, political mileage. They don't know they have ruined their name. They should not dream to come back to power in near future. In Odisha, people uprooted the BJD party for their misdeeds. During the rule of Navin Patnaik, they have patronized communalism. They have patronized the intruders, the outcomers, the illegal migrants from Bangladesh and Rohingya Muslims. They have provided them with potas, ration cards, and shelters. And their only aim was to achieve, to have, to get their vote and to create their vote bank in large. They have done this. The Hindus should be alert. Time will come, the Hindus in Odisha will be minority. Likewise, in India, the Hindus will be minority. Other communities are spreading their net how to trap the common section of people by giving them bribes, telling them lies, and spreading love jihad, etc. Time will come when the Hindus will be minor section in India and they will be forced to leave India, otherwise to adopt their religion. Like Bangladesh and in Pakistan. In India, in Jammu Kashmir, the Hindus, the Pandits of Kashmir were forced, were compelled to accept Islam. In case they denied it, they will be murdered and their ladies were being raped. and the Hindus became minority in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir being the state of India. So you should bring this into light, and you have to think over this. Otherwise, time will come when the Hindus will be forced to get out of their motherland. So time has come to think over these things. I remain Jai Jagannath.